welcome back to Little Time Romance. And today we are going to be reviewing this remote control car that's from a company called Sgile. It's off, you can get it off Amazon. Batteries are not included. You need 3 AAA batteries in order for the remote control car to work. So let's test it out. Ready, set. Oh. It can also climb on walls. Let's test it out. Ah! On the wall. Don't be scared. It'll never come off. And if you put the thing on C, the switch, then the car will stop. So these are the buttons. You want to see on wall mode again? Wait, there we go. And go. And again, I thought about the car. It was really cool because it goes on the walls. And in the box, it can also go on the ceiling. But the wall has to be smooth. The remote control car can come with 3 colors. We got the red one, and there's blue, and there's black. And those are the 3 colors that you can get from Amazon to get these remote control cars. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye.